Hey everybody, I'm Coach Rick Wiltse with the Kegel Training Center, giving you some tips to work on at home while the coronavirus keeps us away from the lanes. By the way, coronavirus is not going to stop Florida sunshine. As you can see, it's beautiful out today. So here's some tips to keep your game tuned up until we can get back on the lanes. The first tip is involving ball placement. A lot of times we see bowlers place the ball a little bit left of their target, a little right of their target, but it's got to go right down the target line or the line of play every time to be consistent and have great shot making. So you can put a mirror up at home or find a mirror, put some tape on that mirror as the line of play, and then practice placing the ball right down that line of play, letting it swing back and forth, nice and smooth. And you can have a weight in your hand, a can of beans, a can of soup, doesn't matter, but just practice that alignment, placing the ball directly in front of your shoulder down the line of play every single time. Groove that into your game and you'll have great launch angles and great consistent shot making. The second tip, we know that bowling, most of the power comes from the legs and the core, not the upper body. So while you're away from the lanes, keep your core and your legs in tone by doing this drill. Get in your setup position, then go right into your finish position. Then back to setup, back to finish, back to setup, back to finish, back to setup, back to finish. And you'll soon find, as I'm finding right now, you'll find some burn in your legs and your core, and that's going to keep those muscles toned up for the exact movements we make in the bowling approach and the finish. So keep up with that. The third and final tip is my favorite one, visualization. It's one of the most powerful tools in sports, and it works just as well as actual practice. So take 5 or 10 minutes before you go to bed at night, get in a comfortable chair or lay down in bed even, take some deep breaths and relax, and then visualize everything there is to see and feel and hear about a perfect shot. So you want to feel that finish position where your body is stable at the finish. You feel the ball coming off your fingers. You hear it hit the lanes. You see it roll through the oil out to the dry and hook back to the pocket. You hear the pins crash as all 10 go down. And you see this shot over and over again in your mind, visualizing as many senses as you can. Hearing, smell, touch, all the sensations of bowling. And that's going to be as powerful as actual practice on the lanes. So right now the bowling centers are closed, but you can still keep your game in touch with these tips. And when the coronavirus passes, we get back to opening the Kegel Training Center again. Come see us for a lesson. We'd be happy to help you down here. This is what we do.